Welcome to the module on the authority of a constitution. What is a constitution? How effective is a constitution? Is a constitution just? In most of the countries, constitution is a compact document that comprises a number of articles about the state, specifying how the state is to be constituted and what norms it should follow. But some countries, like the United Kingdom, for instance, do not have a single document that can be called as constitution. Rather, they have a series of documents and decisions that, taken collectively, are referred to as the constitution. So we can say that constitution is a document or a set of documents that seek to perform the functions. Many constitutions around the world exist only on paper. They were mere words existing on a parchment. So the authority of a constitution, what is a constitution? Is constitution just a document which comprises a number of articles about the state, that is specifying what the states have to be constituted, what norms it has to follow? How effective is the constitution? Does it have only a single document or it has a series of documents? Because if you see the case study of United Kingdom, they do not have a single document to be called as a constitution. They have a series of documents or decisions which are taken collectively are referred as constitution. Sometimes in the world constitutions, you can see them existing only on paper. They were just mere words existing on a parchment. But to answer the question, what is a constitution? We can say that constitution is a document or a set of documents that seek to perform the functions. That's all we have in this module. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.